My man, what's good? Check it out. Today we're cooking up a J. Cole 1985 type of BB off the chain. You know it. This is a collab cookup video. Shout out 30 from 13beats.com to make this happen. My name is Marlboro Morris. Before we get into this video, though, friendly promotion. If you need for premium shit away for free, go check out my channel. Got a brand new 25 808s bass sample pack. Premium shit away for free. Believe me, this is premium shit I'm giving away for free. The link is here, or you can check the description of this video. So far, vocal channel shit presets for any genre. 13beats.com is the place you want to go. Never seen nothing like it. Cheap, easy, all that good stuff. I'm a recording artist myself, and all I use are the 13beats.com presets and templates. So you can check it out from here. You got the link right here, or you can go down in the description and get the link from down below. Now, with that being said, let's cook up, man. All right, so the J. Cole 1985 type of beat, it is so dead easy. Now, I shouldn't say that because that makes, you know what I'm saying, what we do so cheap. We know that ain't cheap. You know what I'm saying? It brings you glory. It brings the bitches, brings the money. Maybe brings you, you know what I'm saying, be broke as fuck. But in the best case scenario, it brings you all that good stuff. So it's not something that we can, you know what I'm saying, consider cheaper. But, you know, it's so easy. All you need is a sample loop and some drums. Now, drums, in this case, because it's J. Cole, we have some drums, some old school drums, you know, mixed with some trap hi-hats and stuff like that. So first thing first, you need to find a good sample. Now, a sample that sounds like this. Let me show you the sample first. And then 30 is going to take care of the drums. Now, the sample, right? It is kind of a lo-fi sample. I'm going to just pull off the plugins. This is a sample that I found somewhere in some packs, and you know, I buy packs and stuff like that. So this is a cool sample that I had, and I kind of, you know, felt like it had that J. Cole kind of vibe. Take a listen to it raw. Bam bam bam. Man, this sample. This is money, bro. This is money. Alright, so that's the sample, right? This is raw. This is a raw sample. Now, the sample that J. Cole 1985 used, it kind of modified the sample, and this is what you want to do when you get those loops, when you get those, especially if you're using free loops. We're trying to provide you with some links in the description for you to go get some free loops. From loopman.com, which is a royalty free, you know what I'm saying, loop sample, whatever, kind of website. But listen, even if you pay for a pack of samples loop, the thing is that, you know, everybody can access to it, right? So you want to change the sample so you get something unique out of it. So the first thing I use is a channel EQ. This is the preset of the channel EQ. Is going to come with the project file that's going to be available down below. You got to wait until the end of the video to get the pack, because to get, you know what I'm saying, the project, the session, because that's a password. So we reveal the password at the end of the video. So this is the EQ preset that I use for the sample, and this is what it sounds like. On, off. It just modified the sound just a little. Alright, so that's the loop, and then that's the channel EQ, and then I used a pitch shifter, right? Just modifying the sound further, right? So when you how to use this pitch shifter, right? You basically bring up the plugin, and then you want to put the mix to 100%. And then fuck with the semitone level thing, right? I just put one semitone above, and then I use pitch tracking, right? It's gonna come like vocals or maybe manual. You just want to pick the pitch tracking. Now let's see what that sounds like. This is off. This is on. Woo. You feel me? It changed the pitch. You're getting something unique. So the Jayco 1985 had one sample loop. It's from a pack. I can't remember the name of the pack. You know what I'm saying, of the sample. But this is what we're using for our beat, right? Now I'm gonna pass on the 30 to, you know what I'm saying, build the beat around this loop, and then he'll take care of you. All right, peace out, man. My name is Marlboro Morris. Aloha.
Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. Thanks for that, Marlboro. You know, Marlboro's just giving you guys a hot loop. It sounds dope. I'm loving the sound of it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and now do is I'm gonna lay some loops, some drum sounds, from my stash, from my vault, and just bring it all together. You're gonna be able to download this beat from the website and the template as well. So we'll leave the links below. So right now I'm feeling this beat. I'm loving the way this sounds. What I've done is I'm just gonna take out some of the bottoms, because I'm gonna take out some of the bottom just to give room for the kick and the 808. Still gonna maintain this sound. Just giving this, because this is the area where my kick and my 808 is going to sit. So if I leave that like that, it's going to clash, right? So if I take this away, then it gives room for my 808 and kick to sit. But first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in some hats, some hi-hats. 94. Cool, I like the sounds of it. Then I'm gonna drag in some kicks. Drag in some snares. These are just loops from previous beats that I've made that I reckon will sound good. And before I switched on the record button for this video, I just went through my stash just to make it quick for the video. And these are the samples that I feel was gonna light up this track. So I've just laced in the kick, the hat, and the snare. I'm gonna put in some samples, some samples of some cymbals, and I'm also gonna drag in some chants as well. I'm loving the sound. Testing. I'm loving the sounds of it. Y'all ain't never tipping dough. Jot a kiss on the rib, y'all ain't living no. I got it fucking on the beat, I make it dinner dough. I fuck this, Wolf says you can't hear me, yo. I saw you in the video and shawty looking hella good. I shawty with the dance, I'm in the dud. And lying on the dance, I'm in the dud. Hey, just freestyling, but yeah, that sounds dope. So I'm just gonna lace this with some 808 kicks, and then that should be it. I'll pass you back over to Marlboro, and then we'll get it popping. So I'm feeling this so far. Let's just find some bass for it. So how I usually find the bass is I usually add software instrument, contact 5, and then open up contact 5, and then we're gonna go to instruments. I'm gonna go to bass. I'm gonna go to deep bass. I'm gonna take off some of the frequency just to give it more of the high end. If I turn it up, you get a lot of squeak. I want it at the bottom. Yep. it's low. If you got headphones, then you're gonna feel these frequencies. Ooh, let's go. Let go. Then I let the build just sit, and that's fine. Let's quantize it up. Guys, don't remember to like, share, and comment below. Let me know what you think of this beat. And then the last but not least, I'm gonna put like a nice little synthy sound just to give it like a chorus, as those are the verses. So let's lace up the chorus sound. No idea what sound I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go with the flow, but I've got an idea for like a kind of like the melody style. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay, what's going on here? So if we let's take that away. There we go. I don't want that sound. I don't like that sound, it's not working. Go. Yeah. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Cool. Let's quantize that. Cool, that's sounding dope. So now I can hear like a Meek Mill, slash, I don't know, extension. Yeah, I ain't even gotta push in that. Can't say in the bag. I ain't gotta think now. Fuck that, throw it in the bag. Throw it all in the bag. Shorty, I'm the best that you ever had. Yo, I'm so mean with the lyrics. They're calling me Sid Vicious. I'ma keep it clean like them dishes. Lay the beat down, fuck it hard like my missus. I love danger, swim with the sharks like fishes. Yeah, so guys, leave a like below, share this. And I'll see you in the next video. Hold tight, Marlboro, for setting us off with a dope sample. Check the comments below for any kind of information. You're going to be able to download this beat from my website. You're going to be download the template as well. If you haven't got Contact, then you won't be able to do much with the parts, so you can always go ahead and just download the beat if you like the beat. For those that do have Contact, you're going to be able to download this and it will come with all the sounds as well. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.